What's up, what's up? This gonna be a quick video. I just want to show y'all what I got going on.
Don't feel bad when I'm down, I'ma be okay. This track gon' come right back around and smack the BOA. Only the members gon' come round and feel down one. We go back like Tom Brady on a shotgun. Knew I was finna be great when I came out the wound. They hate that I'm a butterfly that came out that cocoon.
I came home and I was like, man, I'm gonna get this car popping, because you know that's the car I like to drive daily. I don't like to drive my S2K.
Hey baby, hey baby.
That's like my backup car. That's the most reliable car I have, so I ain't trying to run it down. So I already started, and then I was like, let me stop and get some of this footage, because I can't do y'all like that, man. I felt bad, you know. I felt it right here in my heart.
I loved you, man.
What?
You broke my heart, man.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, I could at least get this on get some footage for him, even though it's gonna be short. But check this out, man. I'm down there. I'm over halfway done, but I got that new belt put on, and it fit a whole lot better than that other belt I took off. Look at that. This thing got tension on it already, and I ain't even hit that tensioner yet. You know what I'm saying? So I know we gonna be good with that one. I put a new tensioner, new belt. Another thing I want to show y'all, man, this little metal plate right here. They say it's a guide plate. I think I might have had that damn thing on backwards.
That's stupid!
I did some research, and the way I had it, they saying it's supposed to be the opposite. So you can see all this black rubber. That's the belt was rubbing on it, and it was wearing off the belt onto this metal plate right here. So I flipped it, and I noticed it runs smoother too. So between that belt was stretched, because when I put that belt on originally, it was loose, and I was like, damn, I ain't never seen no belt going no B series that loose. So I kind of had a feeling that shit wasn't gonna be right. And then between that belt, the tensioner, and this dang on thing, you know what I'm saying, we gonna get it right. All I gotta do now is put the crank pulley on and my belt for my alternator, and you know, throw some things together up top. I had to disconnect the what's that, I'm about to get the motor mount. I have to raise the engine mount so I can slide the belt through and all that good stuff. I already put it down, I just ain't put the bolt through it. But shoot, probably about another 30-40 minutes I'm gonna be done. I just gotta put some tension on the belt, take out this thing as a lifesaver. If y'all doing twin cams on a Honda B series, this bad boy cost me less than $20. It keep the cam gears from turning while you trying to put this belt on. And oh my goodness. And another thing that's cool, it want if it's off timing,
Spit that shit out, man.
whatever what you want to call it, this won't even go on. So it kind of lets you know, like, all right, homie, your gears ain't lined up right, because when it's good, it slip on and off real easy. But I noticed when I had the cam gears a little off, this thing either it wouldn't go on or it was fighting me to go on, and I had to, you know, tweak it a little bit, and it just flew.
What?
Fall right in. You
Feel me?
Let me get this thing together, fired up, and hopefully we don't have no more noise. Okay. Everybody put on their listening ears and listen to this here.
You acting real crazy, honey.
It seems to have fixed my problem. I no longer hear no clunk, clunk, clunk. Nothing. Yeah, man, I think we're in the house. My. I no longer have to drive the S2K.
Hey baby.
My, hey baby, AKA the Batmobile. I can let this thing rest. I work at a dusty butt plant. My car look horrible, man. Look at that. This dang on shame, man. I don't keep my car like this, but I'm gonna clean this bad boy up and let it hibernate once again. Start driving this in Tigra. I'm out, man. Finish put this thing together before the sun go down. Like, subscribe, give that thumbs up, bruh. Let YouTube know I'm trying. Aight.